have a confession to make about one bag travel. Sometimes I hate it. Set the scene. It's hot, I'm sweating buckets, and I have another 2 kilometers to walk to our accommodation. I feel like an old tortoise with the weight of the world on my back. No, really, I'm carrying my entire world. My back hurts. My bag is heavy. Sometimes I feel like I'm just getting too old for this. Or maybe all backpacks are made to fit people bigger than me. I see people glide past me and I wonder, maybe it's time for a wheelie bag. And then there's packing and there's overpacking. They say like a goldfish, your packing list will grow to the size of your bag and naturally attempt to spill over. I try to keep it small, minimal, carry-on size. But what if I want to bring a nice pair of shoes? With this backpack, I'm cramming everything in, and the zipper is about to burst. Why do I do this to myself every time we travel? I'm praying to the luggage gods that I can refit everything into the bag again. But who am I kidding? I sweat when I'm standing still eating ice cream. I don't want to be that person banging their wheelie bag on concrete, struggling with the stairs, or holding up the ferry line because my bag is just too dang big. I'm still searching for that perfect backpack for my very short torso. Until then, I'll keep trying to find it, and I'll keep packing in backpacks because the freedom to move easily from ferry to town to stairs to bus to boat makes all the difference to me. Plus, once I'm on a trip, I always think I have too much stuff with me anyways. Next time, maybe I'll leave that extra pair of shoes behind. I'm Lainey from Days We Spend. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.